This is prestigious culture of Ndenkano Ndiabane in memory of High Chief Jacob Aninwene, the OmeUdo one of Agbani in Nkano, and his son is the chief priest of the whole of Agbani right now. This is in memory of the parents of High Chief Ogbonna. And the chief priest of the whole of Agbani. They are his parents. The father lived up to 120 years, and the mother lived 92 years. High Chief OmeUdo one of Agbani, High Chief Jacob Aninwene, and this is in memory of him and his wife Lolo in the compound. This is prestigious tradition of Ndenkano in memory of one's parents. Share and like, make your comment, and let's send your comment.
Classic clip. Classic clip. Classic clip.
Oye, Jerry, with